I make it a very important goal that you don't want to impress people and razzle dazzle them with your knowledge. You just want them to understand what you're talking about.
Strive continuous improvement. Please subscribe if you're new to our channel. Thank you. Inspirational quotes and motivational sayings have an amazing ability to change the way we feel about life. Therefore, I find them so interesting and crucial for our paths to success. So what's their secret? The way you think and feel about yourself, including your beliefs and expectations about what is possible for you, determines everything that happens to you. When you change the quality of your thinking, you change the quality of your life, sometimes instantly. Just as positive words can make someone smile or a well-timed humorous quote can make someone laugh, our thoughts react to the world in real time. You have complete control over only one thing in the universe, your thinking, and that's where motivational quotes come in. You can decide what you will think about in any situation. Your thoughts and feelings determine your actions and determine the results you get. It all starts with your thoughts, and I have found that inspirational words are a quick way to retune your thinking. In this video, we will cover top 10 reasons how Dr. Anthony Fauci became a public health hero. Here's how Dr. Anthony Fauci became a public health hero. 1. Fauci joined the National Institutes of Health (NIH) as an autoimmune disease researcher after getting his doctorate from Cornell University. He spent more than half his life working in the public health sector. 2. Fauci took over the top position at NIAID in 1984. The institute has an annual budget of nearly $6 billion and manages the prevention, diagnosis, and treatment of infectious diseases like HIV, AIDS, measles, and tuberculosis in the U.S. NIAID also supports research on autoimmune disorders like asthma and allergies and handles oversight of emerging diseases such as Ebola and Zika. 3. When Fauci took over NIAID, the world was in the throes of the HIV/AIDS crisis. He was one of the leading architects of the President's Emergency Plan for AIDS Relief, a program credited with saving millions of lives. Fauci's research has been pivotal in understanding how HIV destroys the body's immune system. He played a critical role in developing treatments that enable HIV-positive people to live long and active lives. 4. George W. Bush awarded Fauci the Presidential Medal of Freedom, the highest honor given to a civilian, in 2008 because of his role in creating the PEPFAR program. Fauci has also won the Presidential National Medal of Science and been given 45 honorary doctoral degrees from universities in the U.S. and abroad. He won the Robert Koch Gold Medallion, an international award for accumulated excellence in biomedical research, in 2013. 5. President George H.W. Bush asked Fauci to be head of the NIH in 1989, but Fauci refused, saying that his work at NIAID was more important. As a researcher, Fauci has been the author, co-author, or editor of more than 1,300 scientific publications. 6. Fauci was the 41st most cited researcher of all time based on Google Scholar citations, according to a 2019 analysis. He ranks 8th out of more than 2.2 million immunology authors in terms of his citation counts in the last 40 years. 7. Fauci also worked on the response to the anthrax threat in the U.S. following the September 11th attacks. After 9/11, the U.S. prepared for a potential biological attack as deadly anthrax packages flooded the offices of government workers and members of the media. Fauci kickstarted a NIAID research program to work on treatments and vaccines for infectious agents that could be used by bioterrorists. 8. His expertise and experience were also critical during the Ebola outbreak between 2014 and 2016, and the Zika outbreak that started soon thereafter. Fauci assisted with the creation of public policy around Ebola, and he worked to reassure Americans of their safety. 9. Fauci told Smithsonian Magazine in 2016 that the U.S. has learned the same lesson during every infectious disease outbreak: you've got to be prepared. You have to have good surveillance. You have to have good diagnostics. Fauci has approached the new coronavirus outbreak in the same way. 10. Fauci's work has saved the lives of millions of men, women, and children across the world, according to the American Academy of Achievement. The Academy cited Fauci's legacy of leadership in public health and research into HIV/AIDS therapies. Fauci told Politico that he has no plans to retire, despite being 79. That's because he has yet to succeed in developing an HIV vaccine. Dr. Anthony Fauci has guided the U.S. through the AIDS, Zika, and Ebola epidemics. His straightforward explanation of scientific facts, calm but no-nonsense demeanor, and subtle sense of humor have garnered him rave reviews from the public. Thank you for watching Top 10 Reasons Stryv, Anthony Fauci became a public health hero. I wish you a wonderful year and hope you can watch these inspirational words whenever you need a boost so you may confidently crush any challenges or goals that you set for yourself. It's your turn to tell us down below. What motivates and inspires you?